Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today is all about beach fun. So let's get started. So summer is almost here and I picked these beautiful embellishments for beach themed cards or summer cards. First we have the Studio Light designer paper pack that has 24 images and designer papers. So the way this works is we have these beautiful background papers, and then we have these die cut designs that you just push out and set them on top of each other to create these beautiful 3D designs on your cards. And then again there is some background paper and more designs for your cards. So I love these paper pads. They make very quick cards, and those beautiful designs are just so fun to work with. So this is the Studio Light Holland paper pad, and it's called Summer at the Beach. And then the other two are the Find It Beach Fun 3D die cut sheets. And look at those fun designs, all beachy with the chairs and the umbrella and the water ball, some shells. And then this one here has the beach huts, the seagulls, and then all kinds of colorful shells. Perfect for making summer cards. So next I like to share the super fun card making kit. And it is 8x8, and it has this glittered cardstock, and there are 8 different designs, or 12 different designs, I'm sorry. 4 of them are glittered, and look how pretty and fun they are. And then you have 8 that are non-glitter, and check out those cute designs. Love the puffin. This is by a designer called Health Couple-Ditch, and she is in Holland. So there are your 12 papers, and then you have 8 3D die cut designs. So you make card toppers with those. Splish, splish, splash. We have the frogs, by the sea, fun in the sun, and again they're all die cut, so nothing to cut. How fun is this card making kit? Look at the mice with the ice cream cone. Here's the puffin again. Frog and the beach chair. Lovely friends. So then what else you got in here is you got some extra embellishments. So there is a bag with ribbons, coordinating ribbons, and some cute buttons. And then also in this card making kit you get washi tape. You have like a wooden embellishment, another one, you got some bling, and then also 3D foam pads. Now I had real fun making these cards. Check them out. So there's the background paper, a little bit of washi, the bling, and then you just stack the embellishments. Look at this beautiful background paper. Here is the wooden ice cream embellishment. Here is the card Splish Splash. with the frogs. Here's another one just to say, and look at that. And these pebbles here, they're actually $49 in market, and they come in 3 different colors. So you have the looks like sand. Does it have a color? Oh, soda pop they call it. These are the soda pop paddles. Then we have pink, what is this? Toffee, and mint breeze. These are self-adhesive and look just like little rocks that you would find on the beach. Also back in stock is the Dovecraft Couture de Jour. That's the same idea. You have these die cut sheets, highly glittered, that give you all the different embellishments, and you can just layer them. They're all die cut. So I just wanted to mention it because it's something similar and back in stock. I hope you liked the Sun in a Fun and beach themed video today. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you liked it, and don't forget to join us on Facebook under European Papercrafts Facebook friends. And all the links are in the info box below. Thanks again for watching today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!